So area of triangle is given by half base into height. So that formula you should keep in your mind, that area of triangle when the triangle is right angle triangle, then the formula is half base into height. So let's say if this is a triangle and then this is called base and perpendicular is called height. So if I know the measure of base and height, then I can find the area with the help of this formula, half base into height. Okay, so let's say like if we do have equilateral triangle, then the formula is different. So you should write in your copy, area of equilateral triangle is given by, Leona, have you remembered? It is root 3 by 4 a square, where a is side, length of side. Okay, so area of equilateral triangle is given by root 3 by 4 a square, and here a is the length of the side. So this is very important formula and you need to use it. Okay, so now comes the Heron's formula. So like if we know the length of all three sides, let's say it is a scalene triangle and the length of sides are A, B, C. Okay, then also I can find the area of triangle, and the formula for finding the area of triangle is root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. And here S is semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means half of perimeter. So if I say perimeter is length of all three sides, then I have to divide it by 2. That will make semi-perimeter, half of the perimeter. So please write this formula in your copy, then we will proceed to the questions. If you have completed, do tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So okay. So let me start with exercise 12.1. A traffic signal board indicating a school ahead is an equilateral triangle. So the shape of that signal board is of the shape of equilateral triangle, and it is given that side is A. So if it is an equilateral triangle, then all sides are equal. So all sides should be A. You need to find the area of signal board using Heron's formula. If perimeter is 180 centimeters, so what is being given here? Here it is being given that perimeter of triangle is 180 centimeter. So by perimeter, what do I understand? I understand perimeter means length. If I sum the length of all the three sides, then it is making perimeter. So A plus A plus A, that is making 180 centimeter. So you can say 3A is 180. So value of A is 60 centimeter. Okay, so we got the value of side of equilateral triangle. Now we know that semi-perimeter is perimeter divided by 2. So what is the value of semi-perimeter? It comes out to be 90. So now we have length of sides, we have S. So let's apply the Heron's formula. area of triangle, or you can say equilateral triangle, is given by like here also we can apply this Heron's formula, because in the question, let me check, is it written Heron's formula? Else we can take another method also using Heron's formula. It is written explicitly that you have to use Heron's formula. Otherwise, we can use root 3 by 4a square. But it is written here that you have to use Heron's formula. So we are using Heron's formula only. Okay, so Heron's formula is root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. See here, everything is like a, b, c will be like same. So in place of b, I can write s minus a, s minus a, because all sides are equal in equilateral triangle. So now substitute the value. So it is 90 into 90 minus 60. So 90 minus 60 is 30, then again 30, then again 30. So it is a square root. So out of this 2, 1, 3 will come out, 30 will come out. Okay, so 90 I can write it like 3 into 30. Okay, so out of this 230 again 130 will come out. So what remains? That is your final answer. That is 900 root 3. And unit of area is centimeter square. So see, in this way we need to calculate area of equilateral triangle.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so let's proceed to the second question. A triangular side wall of a flyover have been used for advertisements. The sides of wall are 122, 22 and 120 meter. The advertisement yield an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its wall for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? So how much rent that company has to pay? So my first thing I have to do is that I have to find the area of this triangular wall. So the dimensions of this triangle is given, that is 122, 22 and 120. So first step is to find the area, and then after that I know one for 1 meter square for a year cost is 5,000. These are the things which are given in the question. So please write in your copy the things which are given in the question, then just tell me, I will be doing it on the board. So please write A is equal to 122 meter, B is 22 meter and C is 120 meter. Then write earning from 1 meter square for a year is 5,000 rupees. To calculate rent for 3 months. Okay, so do tell me what are the things given in the question. Anyone? Yes, I'm waiting.
Ma'am, B is 22 meters.
Okay.
Ma'am, rent of 1 meter square for 1 year is 5,000 rupees.
Thank you, Divyansh. So firstly, we will be calculating the area of triangular wall by Heron's formula. So see, firstly, we will be calculating S. So for calculation of S, add A plus B plus C divided by 2. So 122 plus 22 plus 120, and you have to divide it by 2. So it comes out to be 144, 244, 264 by 2. Everything you need to do mentally. See how I have done mentally. 122 plus 22 is 144. Then I take 244. Then 244 plus 20 is 264. Now just cut it up. You get 132 as the value of S. Okay. Now if I apply the formula S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay. So now just find it out. 132, and like if I subtract, then I'm getting 10, then 1 1 0. Okay. Then 12. Okay, so I got everything ready now. So 132, I know 132 is 12 into 11, 10. 110, I can write it like 11 into 10. So see, now I'm getting pairs. So out of this 212, 112 will come out, 111, 110. So if you calculate 12 into 11 is 132. You put 0, this is meter square. So I got the value of area of triangular wall.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so now we need to calculate the rent for 3 months.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so rent for 1 meter square for 12 months. 1 year means 12 months is rupees 5,000. So rent for 1 meter square for, if I write like 12, I can write it 3 into 4 months is rupees 5,000. I have just manipulated it. 12 means 3 into 4, so that I can know what is the rent for 1 meter square for 3 months. So 4 will go to other side, then it will be in division. So this is the case for 1 meter square, but we are getting how many meter square? 1320 meter square. So we will be writing rent for 1320 meter square for 3 months is equal to 1320 into 5,000 upon 4. So if you cut it by 4, 4 threes are 12. 1, 4 threes are 12, 0. So what you need to put 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, and 33 into 5. 5 threes are 15, 1 carry over, 5 threes are 15, then 16. So I got the price to pay for 3 months. That is 16,50,000. So that much rent has to be paid for advertisement, 16 lakh 50,000. So see, this is real life problem. So now our education system is changing. You have been given real life problem, that is called case studies, in ninth and 10th class. So syllabus and pattern has changed from last year. So that year they are also following that change of pattern, so they will be giving you some case studies.
Ma'am's telling me, ma'am, story sums.
Story sums, no, we don't call it story sums. That are case studies, meaning you will be given some case. Like here, the case is to put the advertisement on triangular wall.
Okay, ma'am.
So these are like real life problems where you need to apply the mathematics. Okay, so please check it, this question, and do tell me, are you able to understand it or not? Let's quickly conclude. If you want, I can move to the previous screen.
Ma'am, your voice is low.
Can I move to the previous screen?
Okay, ma'am.
Divyansh and Leona, have you understood this question? Then we can try next
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am, understood.
okay. That is question number 3. There is a slide in the park. One of its side wall has been painted in same color with the message, keep the park green and clean. If the sides of the wall are 15, 11 and 6, find the area painted in the color. Okay, so Divyansh, I am giving you 1 minute to read the question and then come up with the solution. How should we try this question?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so what is the value of A, B, C?
Ma'am, A is 15 meters, B is 11 meters, and C is 6 meters.
Okay, so firstly, we will be calculating S. So add all this 3 and divide it by 2, then 15 plus 11 plus 6. Once you divide it by 2, then it is 21 plus 11. So 21 plus 11 will make 32, isn't it? So that is 16. Okay, so now apply area of triangle is given by root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So if I put the value of all this S, and let's say S and then S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, so what I am getting, 16, 16 minus 15 is 1, then 5, then 10. Okay, okay. So let's proceed further. 16 I can write like 4 into 4. 1 is like if it multiplied by any number, then number. So there is no change. So 5, I can write 10 as 5 into 2. So I can see the pair. 1 I can get 4 out, 1 I can get 5 out, and root 2 will remain.
Ma'am, please show the previous page.
Yeah, I can. So the final answer is 20 root 2 meter square.
Yes, so now you can show the. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so this is how that question has to be attempted. So let's move to the next question. Question number 4. Find the area of triangle, two sides of which are 18 and 10, and perimeter is given 42 centimeter. So read the question and think for the solution. Okay, what do you say?
Ma'am, fourth question.
Yes. Okay, so
Ma'am, only
not
two.
able to understand.
Ma'am, only two sides are given, so we will do 42 minus 80 bracket 18 plus 10, which is 14.
Okay, so that is correct. So two sides are given. Like like we can just write this is A, this is B. So we don't know C. So first of all, perimeter is like A plus B plus C. So if you substitute the value of A plus B, then 18 plus 10, that comes out to be 28. So if you calculate the value of C, it comes out to be 14 centimeter. That is absolutely correct. So see, now we have A, B, C, and I can calculate the value of S. S is perimeter divided by 2. So it comes out to be 21. So see, now I have A, B, C and S. Just apply the formula and find out the area. So I have substituted each and every value and I have just solved it. So 21, I can write it like 7 into 3. I have written the factor of 21. So I got the pair of 3, I got the pair of 7. So what remains? That is 11. So 1 7 will come out. 3 will come out. So the final answer is 21 root 11 meter square.
Ma'am, show the next page.
So understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm just breaking and then connecting again for the next half.